Hello students, today we are going to study about dictionaries and structuring data. In this chapter we'll be studying about the dictionary data type. Prior to this we had studied the list data type, which was a list of values enclosed in square brackets, and we had also studied about the tuple data type. That also was a list of data enclosed within pair of parentheses. So here we will see how the dictionary data type is different from list and tuple. Like a list, a dictionary is a collection of many values, but unlike indexes for list, indexes for dictionaries can use many different data types, not just integers. Indexes for dictionaries are called keys, and a key with its associated value is called a key value pair. So what they are saying here is, like a list, dictionary is also a collection of many values. But in list we had index. Okay, we had index of 0, index of 1. Okay, so the in a list, those index means the position of that particular value. Okay, and in a list that index value were all integers, but in dictionaries we will be having indexes of not integers only. We'll be having indexes for dictionaries can use many different data types, not just integers. Okay, whereas in list the indexes were only integers, but in dictionaries we'll be using indexes which are of different data types, not just integers, and those indexes in dictionaries are called keys. Okay, and a key with its associated value. Okay, so we'll be in a dictionary we'll be having a key and a value, and that key is nothing but an index, and for that particular key we'll be having a value. So there will be a key value pair in dictionary. Okay, and dictionary will be a collection of these key value pairs, where key is nothing but index of that particular value, and that index can be of any different data type. Okay, and in a code a dictionary is typed with braces. Okay, it is typed within a list pair of braces, whereas list we had a pair of square brackets, tuple we had a pair of parentheses, and braces will be within a pair of braces. Okay, for example, this is a dictionary data type my cat, and here you can see it is the list of values is being enclosed within braces, and here the key here is size. We'll be having a key value pair. Now this key value pair is there. This key, what you're saying, this key is nothing but the index of that particular value. And this index is known as a key in dictionary data type, and the key can be of any data type here. Here you can see that the key is a string here. It can be integer also. Okay, so key here is size colon its value is fat. So this is one key value pair. Another key value pair is given here. Okay, so here the key is color and the value is gray. Okay, and here also one more key value pair is there. Here the key is disposition, value is loud. Okay, so dictionary is nothing but a key value pair where key can be of any different data type. In list and tuple, these keys are known as indexes, and there it was only integer values. Here they are of different data types. Okay, so if you want, we can do this in our Thorny software. Okay, I'll create here one variable cat is equals to, I'll create a dictionary here. Okay, so what I'll use here, the key is name, that also in quote. Okay, because it is a string name, and string I'll use here is Tommy. Okay, then one more key value pair I'll take, color colon black. Okay, so this is a dictionary. Dictionary is nothing but a key value pair. Here the key I have used is name, value I have used is Tommy, another key I have taken is color, other value is black. Okay, so this is a dictionary data type variable cat. So when I give the cat variable, it will display me the list of that variable. So this is a dictionary. If you want to access a particular value of a dictionary, you can access it with the help of the key name. For example, if I want to access Tommy from the variable cat, so what I can do is cat, what is its key? Its key is here name. So instead of using the index here, we are using the key here, and key is an string name here. Okay, so cat of name will give me Tommy. Okay, so if you want to access any value from a dictionary, you can access it with the variable name followed by the key name. Okay, next what you can have is, if you want to access black, okay, if you want to access black, what you can do is cat, the key name is what here, color. Okay, the key name is color. So what it will give you, it will give the value of that key, that is black. You can also use this accessing method in the form of string also. For example, my cat has, okay, plus cat color plus, you can write fur. Okay, so what it will print is my cat has, cat of color is what here, black. So cat of color, my cat has black fur. Okay, so I'll give some spaces here. Okay, enter. So what it will give is my cat has black fur. Okay, you can also use my cat name is. Okay, so what will be the name here? Name is Tommy, and you can access it with the key name. And what is the key name here? Key name is name. Okay, so what it will print is my cat name is Tommy. Okay, so hope it is clear what is meant by dictionary data type. Dictionary data type is nothing but a list of key value pairs. Okay, so here you can see here, this assigns a dictionary to the mycat variable. This dictionary keys are, here the keys are size, color and disposition. The value for these keys are fat, gray and loud. You can access this value through their keys as we have seen previously. So my cat of size will give me fat. My cat is the variable name, size is the key name. If you want to get fat, you have to use the key name. So what it will give is my cat of size, it will give it as fat. Okay, here also the same thing, my cat has plus this indexing, my cat of color will give you what, gray fur. So what it is, my cat has gray fur. Okay, dictionaries can still use integer values as keys, just like lists use integers for indexes. They are saying the key values can also be integers. Key values, here they have used a string, so instead of string they are saying you can also use integer values. Only thing is that they do not have to start at 0, and they can be any number. In list how it was, the indexing usually started with 0. So if I had mentioned my cat of 0, it could be have given me the value fat. My cat of 1, it could have given me gray. My cat of 2, it could have given me loud, like that. Here also you can use integer for indexing, that is for key value, but it is not necessary that it starts with 0. So here you can see here, the variable name is spam. To this spam you have given a list of dictionary is here, and the key, first key is an integer. So they have told us prior itself that keys can be of any data type. So 1 2 3 4 is there the key, and its value is a luggage combination. 42 is again the key and its value is the answer. So the key is in integer and the value is in string. So this is an introduction to the dictionary data type. It is enclosed within pair of braces and it is of the type name colon value, key colon value, where the key can be of any different data type, and it is dictionary is nothing but a list of key value pairs. Okay, and if you want to access the values, you can access it with the help of the keys.